If I could go back and give my younger self just one piece of advice, what would it be? Never give up. If I could give anyone just one piece of advice, what would it be? Never give up.
When you come to a crossroad and run into the winner and the quitter in you, listen to the winner. The quitter will never take you down the road you want to travel. I know some of you are going through a rough time. Some of you are going into the fight of your life, fighting for your future, fighting for your career, fighting for your family. Some of you are fighting for your life. And I am telling you, do not quit. Do not give in. I know life can be tough. I know life can wear you down, but if you just stick it out, even if you don't get the result, you will find the character you showed will be your reward. The fighting spirit you develop will be the reward, and it will serve you well for the rest of your life.
They say that life is only 10% of what happens. But watch this. 90% is how you respond to what happens. Don't miss what I'm telling you. Only 10% is what happens in your life. 90%, however, is how you respond to what happened in your life.
Fight for what you want now, or fight against what you don't want later. You choose.
Don't you dare quit. Don't you dare settle. Don't you dare back down. Not today or any other day. When the tough moments come, never forget you are in that moment writing your legacy. In that tough moment, you are setting the standard for your character. Do you have the character? You do.
What if today was your last day? When we are born, no one gives us a note with our use by date on it. No one has the privilege of knowing when their time is up. Maybe if we did, we would live life differently. Live life differently. Rather than existing, maybe we would live this life to its fullest potential. Maybe we would give more, do more, and be more. Maybe we would have more drive, more desire, more enthusiasm for life. Maybe we would go after our dreams with intensity. Maybe we would not give up so easily. Maybe we would chase our dreams harder and faster.
Fight for what you want now, or fight against what you don't want later. You choose.
What are you holding back? Can you give more?
When you come to a crossroad and run into the winner and the quitter in you, listen to the winner. When you make a commitment to yourself, you make sure you see it through.
Nothing is worth more than this moment. Give it your all. Leave every ounce of energy out this day.
Never give up. Never, ever give up. You do not know what is going to happen in the future. Anything can happen if you believe in yourself and are willing to learn how to make it happen.
Never, ever quit.